Hi everyone! Thanks for all the positive feedback on my first videos. Lots of you wanted more revision, so here I am again. Although you wanted more, none of you have really requested a particular revision topic, so I've chosen the electromagnetic spectrum. I'm going to be dividing this topic into lots of mini videos, starting with this introduction, and then I'll be looking at each part of the electromagnetic spectrum in turn, from the longest wavelength or lowest frequency through to the shortest wavelength or highest frequency. So watch out for future videos over the next couple of weeks because
regular review gets a better grade for you.
The electromagnetic spectrum is a family of waves. This family has several features in common. The first being that they're all transverse waves. This means the oscillations are perpendicular to the direction of energy transfer. The energy is transferred without transferring matter. In fact, these types of waves don't need matter at all, so they can move through a vacuum. This is because they use electric fields and magnetic fields, hence the name electromagnetic spectrum. So all of the waves in the electromagnetic spectrum are transverse waves, and they can all travel through a vacuum. In fact, another thing they have in common, they all travel at the same speed in a vacuum. That's 3 times 10 to the power of 8 metres per second, or 300 million metres per second. If we think about sound briefly, you can hear me speaking. Your ears can detect my sound at this frequency. But if the sound gets higher and higher in frequency, eventually we could reach ultrasound above 20,000 Hertz. The sound wouldn't be detected by your ears. We'd need a different method to detect it. It's the same the other side too. If the sound gets lower and lower in frequency, eventually sound can reach infrasound, below 20,000 Hertz, and our ears don't detect it. Our eyes can detect electromagnetic waves only within a range of frequencies. The visible spectrum is the only part of the electromagnetic spectrum that we can see. Either side of this visible spectrum, there are higher and lower frequencies too. For your GCSE exams, you're going to need to be able to name all the parts of the electromagnetic spectrum in order. You need to describe the potential dangers and the harmful effects on people if they're excessively exposed to each type of EM radiation. You also need to describe the uses of each part of the electromagnetic spectrum. I'll be adding other videos to help you review your ideas about each part of the electromagnetic spectrum in turn, starting with the lowest energy radio waves and finishing with the highest energy and potentially most dangerous gamma rays.
Radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays.
Don't forget to
Like,
so that I can keep making the videos.
comment,
Especially to request other revision topics,
subscribe.
so you can get notifications of when my next video gets uploaded.
Regular review gets a better grade for you.